The rain cries, the tears I won't let fall. Down on the pavement each droplet stalls. Pitter-patter heavy like my heart in my chest. I am barren and dry, not willing to welcome the next. Darkness floats by, pouring rain at my feet. Gentle steps I must take, legs feeling wobbly and weak. Sadness on my skin, dripping out of every pore. Rain washing it away, revealing a passage to my flaws. As I stand beneath the torrent, pounding my misery with its bite, the cool and refreshing rain hides my pain out of sight. I ache to be free like the clouds up above, to float without exception concerning a humanly shove. Until that day arises, I will straighten myself up and let the rain cry my tears hold no place to disrupt.